Iingkashari District and Session East Khasi Hills kala Aibor ki pulit banset nyau sngi ki armut ki dkhot ke Khasi Students Union ki bashakem halor ke jing subadon kti ban pinyap ki armut ki nongbela barjala ha ichamati. Kini ki armut ki dkhot ke KSU ki kerteng usham bor langshati wa arpundus nem national wa utim bad usamla me shadap bors kembil arpundus nem na site sok pen sora. Haga arpnya utarik ulber armut ki nongbela barjala ki la shabom yap haga kinhur ki samla ha ichamati. Kini ki armut ki kerteng u esan sing bad usuji data. Kini baru armut kini kinong belati promotion. Yang amat jong kilalap ha ichamati bat nadalda. Katkum ke hajar ki bahayang hasem jong kini ki bayam kini ke jingjia kala jia hadin karali persya CAA ha ichamati.
As the investigation process. One is Shri Shanborlang Shati and the other one is Shri Mesada 4 Skembil. At the very initial stage of investigation, so investigation will go on into this case. Yes, so investigation in this case is at very initial stage and it will go on. No, but we got certain leads into this case, the details of which I am not at liberty to divulge. And in the pursuit of that, last night we were able to make these two arrests. Deployed additional force from outside the district, both in under Shala PS jurisdiction, also in Shillong.